masculinity is integrity under pressure, and the quality just keeps on coming. My pleasure.
Busy.
Gambling responsibly. Giving value in the running. I gotta be me. Gripping seduction. Mixing strengths. The path of the spiritual warrior is not easy. Facing danger, uncertainty, adversity. Triggering one's self-discipline. Doing one's best to control impulses, desires, and emotions into oblivion with the relentlessness, the false belief, ego, delusions, and excuses, killing the self-enemy with 1,000 cuts, looking at a bigger picture and templates. With gentle patience, there is a difference between knowledge and knowing and wisdom. Knowledge can be acquired, knowing is realization, and wisdom must be earned. Staying in touch with your heart's true kindness and soft nature determination to walk alone if necessary. Talking about the alternatives in a higher consciousness society. War propaganda is repugnant. History will tell you every good team needs a fiery redhead doing it slowly on World Turtle Day, the impossible dream weaver, athletic sprinter, stepping out of the pain to connect with the romance in life again. God's plan, multi-dimensionizing requiem, tying in again, complexity, 111 rebus,
Busy.
highest learning, spirituality, energy, and things.